So here is the demo for the Flip School application which I designed for the task. As you can see, so this is the home page. It's divided into the search bar, class notes, announcements, attendance, and results. You can like just scroll through the class notes to see which one of them is the latest. You can see the blue sort of mark on top of it. Similar thing happens for the announcements. The latest one will have a blue new sort of tag on top of it. You can also click on a particular note and then it opens the PDF. So in this case, we just opened a biology class note. You can tap on it and for 1 second it shows you the option of going back, sharing, or saving it. So in this task, let's say I just share it with someone. Then it shows me like the iOS's native way of sharing it, sharing any sort of note with people. And then I just close it, go back, and I can just like toggle through. So now that I am at planner, the blue outline at the day showcases which day is it. The day which is highlighted with gray shows that I was absent on that day in school, and the one with blue dots underneath them show that there was a special day like annual day, sports day, something like that. Additionally, yeah, so you can just like scroll through the calendar view, and in the timetable view you can see the period name, the class, and the room on which it's happening. And on top you can see MTW. So these are like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all the way to Sunday, and you can just like scroll through them and see which timetable for which day you want to see. And then yeah, so also you can see at the bottom navigation that there is a bulletin section which has a blue highlight. The bulletin section is the notification section of the application. So if I click on, let's say, bulletin, then I can see particular notifications for today, earlier this week, and earlier this month. I can also delete these notifications. I just like drag through, press on delete, and yeah, so the notification gets deleted. Additionally, if I want to go to the user profile, I just click on the user profile section, and here you can see the ID card sort of view, which has all my personal information like my class admission number, my stream, and which school I am from. And you can also see the homework here, which all of these things are which the user has to add on their own. What I can do is I can like I can either like I can select this homework that I finished it. Additionally, I can also delete it, and similar to notifications, they disappear. And if I want to add a task, it suggests me that okay, do you want to add a task from the class notes or do you want to write your own task? So right now the task title is empty, but you notice that once I click on biology, then the task is automatically filled. Read biology notes 2nd September. All of this information is gathered directly, and then I can like select which day I want to perform this task. And so yeah, now so this is 2nd October. Read biology notes for the notes for 2nd September. I press on done, and yeah, so now you can see the notes which I've added. And additionally, like the last thing which I can take you through the application is the menu, which consists of account settings, manage preferences, about the company, and logout. And at the bottom it talks about the firmware version which the user is on right now. And that's the overview of my design for the Flip School application, and I hope you guys like it.